how to fill area with water in Minecraft. So let's say I want to fill this whole area with water. So what you need to do is just go to the place where you want to fill it up first. So let's say I want to fill it up from here to basically on this other side right there. So what you want to do is just simply get your coordinates, and to do that, just simply click on F3 on your keyboard if you're on Java. So open it up, and as you can see, I have the XYZ coordinates on the left side right here. Now what you want to do is just simply get your chatting commands turned on. So make sure that your chatting commands is turned on. Once that's done, go to the other side where you want to fill it up. So let's say I want to fill it up right here, to the other side right here. Now what you want to do is first list the coordinates we have on the first one. So list the coordinates. Now once it's done, I'm just going to go to the other side and find the coordinates of the second one. So once it's done, open up your chat and commands, then type in fill, then type in the coordinates that we had earlier. So I had mine listed right here, which is 4, 5, 70, 67, and negative 2, 3, 5, 2. Once it's done, input the coordinates that we have right now. So the coordinates that I have right now is 4, 5, 5, 7, 66, and negative 2, 3, 3, 1, just like so. Now once it's done, click on space and type in water. So Minecraft water, and just simply click on enter. Once it's done, this will all be filled up with water. So the entire space that you've input will all be filled up with water, just like so. And that's how I basically fill the area with water in Minecraft.